Where does mastery begin? With the skills that keep the world running, cool, efficient, and alive. Step inside. A world where every detail of your craft comes alive. The future of skill training. Kelvin by Skillveri. Structured lessons, from inspection to installation, from first fix to mastery. Every service, every inspection. A single, seamless workflow, guided, refined, precise. Mixed reality, aligning reality and simulation. See deeper. An exploded 3D view that reveals every component, clearly labeled and fully understood. Progress made visible. Training that's measurable, repeatable, reliable. Scale training without losing the personal touch. Compare, evaluate, guide across learners. Mastery doesn't stay in one place. It travels with you, from one space to another. From skill to skill, always within reach. Always evolving. Skillveri.